Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a terrific day. What a wonky week, I will tell you that. I'm coming at you on a Tuesday. Normally I'd start my week on Sundays, but if you saw my community tab post, CVS was not my girl this week. My CRTs, not one of them on both my accounts correlated with any of the sales this week. It wasn't worth the drive, you know? I'm not gonna waste the gas. I go to a CVS kind of in a different town. For me, it's about 30 minutes because the one closest to me, horrible customer service, horrible experience. So I'm not gonna drive 30 minutes away just to do maybe 2 deals, you know? So I just was not having it. I'm not gonna try to push and make a haul and get things that I really don't love. So CVS was out of the books. Now I tried to do a Walgreens video in replacement of that, and I pretty much did everything curbside. However, when I went to pick it up Sunday, their internet was down and they could not fulfill the order. So I had to cancel that. I'm giving it another day to see when they issue me back my money for the return, and then I'll retry it again and hopefully get that video out for y'all tomorrow if possible. But it's just been so wonky. Anywho, we're at Walmart today to do some Ibotta shopping. So I have 2 bonuses I'm working towards. The Pot of Gold bonus, mine is $3 back for 7 offers, and I only need 1 offer to get that $3. And I have a midweek bonus, $5 for 15 offers, and I have two offers already tracking. Now those are just pay with Ibottas I already did, because I knew I probably wouldn't complete 15 offers in store today. It's looking a little dry at Walmart, I will tell you that. So I did 2 pay with Ibottas. We're gonna do a couple rebates in store, but when I come back out, I'm doing 2 more pay with Ibottas because I'm not gonna hit that 15 in just rebates. So I'm gonna do pay with Ibottas to try to get my extra $5. Later in the video, I will show you guys how to find that pay with Ibotta feature to purchase gift cards, and those gift card purchases track towards your bonuses. It makes it a little bit easier than having to strive to get 15 offers if your bonus is just eh, and if there's just no rebates. So I will show you guys that later in the video. We have a couple of good deals, a lot of baby care deals, dog food, thank goodness. My dog always needs that, but overall, I'm pretty happy with what we're gonna grab today. So that is that. I believe we're also using Shopkicks, Swagbucks. That's it. And if you are new to any of the rebate apps, they are in my description box down below. If you want to sign up for my referral link, it would mean a lot to me. Probably would help you out with some savings as well. So best of both worlds. So we're gonna go ahead and get in here and talk about some of the deals I'm grabbing at Walmart this week. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. And let's go ahead and get in. My first deal is going to be on the Beneful dog food. I'm looking at the 3.5 pound bags. They are $5.98 in my store. I do have a $2 printable coupon from coupons.com that I'll use today to pay $3.97 in store. I'll submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back, and on Shopkick between scan and purchase kicks, we'll get back a total of 520 kicks. So that is the equivalent of $2.08, making this bag $1.14. This is always a household need and my dog's preferred brand of dog food, and this did qualify for the scan kicks, a 3.5 pound bag. So this Kaboom with OxiClean is the shower tub and tile stain remover. It is $3.58 in my store. I'm going to grab 2 of them. That totals me $7.16. I'll pay at the register today and then submit my receipt to Swagbucks for $4 back when I purchase 2, making it $3.16 for both, or about $1.58 each. So the next thing I was looking for was the Johnson's Skin Nourishing Wash and Lotion. However, it's not in the baby section. So I'm going to go look in the kind of body wash section in my store, kind of where like the flushable wipes are, to see if it's over there, and hope that it is over there because I really want these products. So I noticed this rebate does expire in a couple of days, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one last time on the Loves. So they're $5.47 that you'll pay out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $3 back, making it just $2.47. And this deal is a limit of 1 unless it resets. Then I would go ahead and do it as much as possible before it expires. So the Pacific Foods broth is $2.97 in my store. I will pay that out of pocket at the register and submit to Ibotta for $1, making it $1.97. And this is a very good pantry staple for us, so I'm definitely grabbing this. I couldn't film where this instant rapid rise yeast was. Gosh, that's a mouthful. There was somebody over there stocking, but it is $1.58 in my store, so I'll pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back, making it just $1.08. However, I do have a 10-cent any brand flour attaching to this, which will make it just 98 cents, and another good pantry staple to have. So I noticed my store does not carry the cheap little pecan swirls anymore from Tasty Cake, so I'm gonna have to switch my game plan up here because the rebate's only 25 cents back anyways, and I really don't want to get like a $3 box of Tasty Cakes and only get 25 cents back. Notice the second cheapest option was these Tasty Cake glazed honey buns. Honestly, I'd rather have honey buns anyways, so these are $1.67, and then I'll pay that out of pocket to submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back, making it $1.43. Grab some of the Chloralin again this week at $2.47. I'll pay that out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it just $1.47. The Schick men's razors, the disposables, are $5.98 in my store. I do have a $4 printable coupon from coupons.com that I'll use today to pay $1.98, and then on Ibotta we can submit for $2 back, making it completely free. This is a limit of 2, and I noticed it is expiring in a couple of days, so I would definitely take advantage of it soon. Pretty much a similar deal as the Schick men's disposables. The Schick women's disposables are $5.97 in my store. So I will use another $4 printable coupon from coupons.com. It is the same one that works on this. I just printed 2 out today. And I believe you can also submit to the coupons.com app for a reimbursement, but I'll pay $1.97 and submit back to Ibotta for $2 back, making this completely free. The expiration on this is not showing it expiring anytime soon, and this deal is a limit of 2 as well. Alright, the always discreet pads. We're looking at the 20 count. That is $4.84 at my store. 2 of them will total us $9.68. We'll go ahead and use this 5 off 2 paper coupon from the March P&G to pay $4.68 at the register, and then we'll submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back. Now the rebate doesn't require you to buy 2 of them to get the $2.50 back. However, it's a better deal combining the coupon with it, and the rebate is a limit of 1, so this will only work 1 time on 1 pack of pads. Makes the final cost for both of them just $2.18. Alright, so I did find the Johnson's Skin Nourishing over here by like the toddler wipes and flushable wipes in my store. It's over where the personal care items are, to be honest. So they are $4.92 at my store. You want to make sure you grab 1 lotion and 1 body wash. Now Shopkicks, for the bundles, there is separate bundles for each scent. However, whichever bundle you choose, you have to make sure you get the same scent lotion and body wash. So I chose, I think, the shea butter and cocoa butter, something like that. So $4.92 for each of them totals me $9.84 out of pocket. I will submit to Shopkicks for 1,050 kicks, so that is $4.20. And then on Ibotta, we have a rebate for $1.50 back, so I will go ahead and submit for 2 of those, which is $3. And then for buying 2 participating Johnson's products in the same trip, I'll hit a 50-cent Johnson's bonus, making the final cost for both of them just $2.14 or $1.07 each. Now this deal on Ibotta is a limit of 4, so you could probably do this with a different scent bundle on Shopkicks to get the most bang for your buck if you're really wanting to stock up. Of course, I had to make a quick stop by the clearance, holy gamoly, name brand central over here. So many good bath and body care items. I did find some hair care appliances. This straightener was $11, originally $35. I don't need a straightener, but heck, if you do, that's a decent price. I really fell in love with this heated brush from Remington for $10. I didn't pick it up because I really don't need it, but looks interesting. And then also this hair dryer back here, I believe was about $17. All right, so that is everything we are grabbing at Walmart today. Pretty small haul, and like I said, I'm doing a couple of pay with Ibottas when I get out of the store to reach my midweek bonus. Might as well go ahead and finish it off. It's just the rebates really are not, anything different from last week, in my opinion. So we're gonna go ahead, check out with this, and meet back in the car to discuss the final cost. Alright, so I just quickly wanted to show y'all how to use the Pay with Ibotta feature. Well, now it is just called Gift Cards feature. So we're going to go into the Ibotta app.
you're going to select the retailer you would like to purchase a gift card for. Now I'm going to go ahead and select on Walmart, and then you see the option to buy a Walmart gift card and get 0.5% cash back. There is a $5 minimum to purchasing a gift card. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in the minimum $5 for example. It shows you that you are earning about 2 cents back, and then we will go to the review screen. So here you review the amount of the gift card you want to purchase, your payment method, whichever, card you would like to link to your Ibotta account. You can also see you can apply the Ibotta earnings in your account. Now right now, obviously I did not have enough to redeem for a $5 gift card, but I think I had maybe $2 or $3, so I could have went ahead and applied those earnings and then put the rest on my card, whichever. Most of the time, I just prefer to use the cash in my Ibotta account to purchase the gift cards. Makes the most sense to me than touching my bank account or my PayPal debit card. If everything looks good, you'll go ahead and confirm this, and then it'll show you your gift card barcode and all that good stuff. For the sake of this, I'm just going to show you what an old gift card I had looks like. It'll pop up the barcode, and here you will scan this part at self-checkout. Now, at self-checkout, when you are using a gift card, you want to go ahead and select that you're paying with a Walmart gift card. Do not hit credit, debit, cash, none of those options. It'll be under the Walmart gift card. Then scan your gift card, and it should go through perfectly fine.
All right, guys, we're out from Walmart, and I've sat here in the car kind of confused for a little bit, just because my subtotal ended up being a little bit cheaper than expected, and my final numbers did. I finally figured out what I did, and we are not passing judgment, okay? I obviously had no means of doing this. Having a kid with me that's a wild child, obviously my mind is like all over the place, trying to get this done, trying to handle him. It seems I forgot to scan a pack of razors, and I told the woman because the coupon didn't go through, and I was like, well, I bought the item, and the coupon went through for the men's razors, so why didn't it go through for the women's? And it turns out I did not scan it, and she so nicely put through this $4 coupon for me for an item I did not buy. Oh gosh, I hate when this happens, because I just sit here and I'm like, what do I do? What do I do? I could go back in, but then I have to drag the baby back in, and so that's like my thing, I could always come back later in the week and explain my situation, my receipt, and say, listen, I'm just gonna give this back to you. I don't know, but there was no intentions of obviously taking that razor. I was willing to pay for it, and so it cost me my Ibotta rebate. And when I scanned my receipt to submit to Ibotta, it was saying that it did not pick up on the Chic Women's. So I went ahead and did the thing where, you click, you want to verify more offers. Then you would manually scan the product. I did. It verified it, but then when I submit my receipt, it still was not catching on to the $2. It didn't award me the $2. So I had emailed Ibotta saying, like, what the heck? I clearly bought this. No, I did not. Now I'm worried that they're gonna lock my account because I did not buy it, and I'm looking a little sketchy, okay? So I don't understand why that happened. Oh, so obviously I am 3 rebates short of my midweek, which my intentions was to do 2 pay with Ibottas and hit that midweek bonus. Now I'm gonna have to do 3, which is no issue with me. But gosh, that would have been a nice freebie, and obviously I don't want to take razors out of the store. So we're gonna go with receipts and the final cost, but I'm adding back in that $4 coupon. I'm not gonna, even though it deducted, I'm not gonna count that. I'm gonna add it back into my final numbers, because that should not have happened. It should have if I bought the razors, but I did not scan them. So again, not passing judgment. It happens to the best of us. Let's just get into the final numbers and receipts. All right, so here's my receipt with the dog food, the Loves, the yeast, the 2 Johnson's products, and the men's razors. I believe those are the men's razors with the $4 coupon. 2 Always products with the $5 coupon. The broth, the 2 Gabooms, the Chlorelin, and the honey buns. So the vendor coupon for $2 was for the dog food. Do not know why that does not attach. And then the $4 coupon should have been for my second stick item, but you see I do not have that here. So my subtotal was $38.61. We're going to count back in that $4 coupon because that should not have come off if I did not get the product. But I want you to see, look at how many freaking pair of Ibottas I did. I did so many gift cards. That one, I accidentally scanned the same one twice, so ignore that. But I only paid $16.93 out of pocket, but that's just, the lady, when she put my coupons through, she was still standing there, and she was looking at me scanning all my gift cards, and she was like, I can't believe you guys can do that now, you know, just pay from your phone. And I was like, yeah, I mean, that's the beauty of this, I guess. So the subtotal was $38.61. Counting back in that $4 coupon that I used, that I should not have used on no product attached to it, it was $42.61. For my Ibotta, we got back $14.10 in rebates. We hit our $3 pot of gold bonus, our 50-cent Johnson's bonus, and then I will do 3 pay with Ibottas to hit my $5 midweek bonus after I got the phone here. Shopkick, we got a total of 1,550 purchase kicks today, 50 in-store scan kicks. I remembered to scan my products today, so that was a total of $6.40. And then from Swagbucks, $4.02 for the kaboom. So everything would have cost $53.61. Our final cost is $9.59 or 73 cents per item. I never really have hauls that are $9 at Walmart. It would have been obviously a lot cheaper a little bit cheaper if I got those Schick razors. I was planning on, you know, paying somewhere in the $7 to $8 range. Excuse me. So $9 isn't too far off from what I was expecting. And I know obviously a lot of y'all will be like, that's such a high out of pocket. Normally people come out with money makers and things like that at Walmart. I just want to start grabbing things that will really benefit us and things I can use or know that they have a use with somebody in my family. So, I mean, 73 cents per item, you got to consider diapers, baby wash, dog food, pantry staples, things like that. So I'm not mad at that at all. That is that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite deal was down in the comments, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.